Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agarwal and today we will learn how to grow best variety of marigold. You can see this is a flat pot and holes at the bottom and they are covering with the wet cloth because they should not move from here and we will grow marigold from seeds. This is the best variety marigold. You can get different varieties of marigold seeds but this is today we are growing agro seeds and the soil mixture here it composed of vermicompost, cow dung compost and coco peat in equal proportions. They are dried under sun for 5 to 6 days and after drying it they sieved properly and then they are growing. And now watering, you see the trick of watering. You have to sprinkle water very slowly and you can see and friskly so that the water should not enter up to more than 1 centimeter deep because the water should be soaked entirely. Now I am taking out seeds. This is the Agagro seeds. Agagro seeds. This is from Thailand and this is one of the best variety. The plants goes around 2 to 3 feet tall and the flower is very big, around 3 to 4 inch big flower, and the flower stays for 20 to 25 days. I am tearing out the packet and taking out the seeds from here. You can see this is the seeds and the big flower and seeds is around 1000 seeds packet. It costs around 1200 rupees and now I am spacing the seeds properly, putting the seeds here and space it properly around 1 centimeter distance at least, and I will be placing around 200 seeds in here. And after proper placing the seeds here, I am covering it with the same soil mix, cow dung compost, vermicompost, coco peat mixture around a 5 millimeter layer just to cover the seeds, and so the seeds should not be exposed to air, just to cover it. And after covering it properly, water it lightly, very lightly, and should not water it much. If you water it much then the seeds may be totally rotten. So here is the technique of how to grow seeds. Maybe you grow Inca variety, Maya variety, or French marigold, or double African giant. There are all the same methods. And now sprinkle water lightly, once or twice, very lightly, gently, and then after watering, let the water soak. And after it, I will cover with a newspaper. If you have gunny bag, you can cover with this, and I'll keep it covered for 3 days. Every day you have to open up it and after sprinkle little bit of water, and once the plant attains 1 inch height, then you can keep it in full sunlight, and before that you have to keep it in semi-shade area, and once it gets around 2 to 3 inch height, then you can transplant in 3-inch pot and just see what is the result. Friends, this is after 12 days. This is the result of the seedlings, different seedlings. Friends, after 20 days, you can see this is the seedlings of Agagro, and you can see 3 to 4-inch tall plant seedlings, very beautiful seedlings you can see. And now you can transplant in a 1.5-inch pot. If you want, you can transplant in 1-inch pot or 1.5-inch pot. They are transplanting it in 1.5-inch pot, and there should be hole at the bottom. There must be hole at the bottom. And the soil mixture here is around 60% garden soil and 30 to 40% of the dried cow dung compost and the mixture. And I'm taking out, you see, just with the pressure with the lower side, so that the roots is not teared, root is not broken. And now taking out the plants here, and entire roots should be there. And don't grow it in not more than 1 or 1.5-inch pot. If you grow it in 5-inch or 6-inch pot, then the plant may die. So this is the system. You have to grow it in smaller pots, then after 10 to 15 days you can transplant in bigger pot, maybe 3-inch pot, or after growing in a 3-inch pot for around 10 to 15 days, then you can transplant in 5-inch pot or 8-inch pot, whatever you find suitable. If you wanted to grow it in a garden area, then with entire root ball you can grow in garden area also. Here I tell you, only you have applied water, and sometimes once in a week fungicide we have applied, so that there is no fungal attack and infection. You see how I am transplanting it. And now watering is a technique, how to water it. This is the technique. They all are transplant in here. Just dip the entire pot here in water, and they will absorb water from here. And don't sprinkle with the sprinkler, just dip the entire pot, very small pot, and the water will take here. And this is the watering technique of 1 or 1-inch pot and this is the best technique of growing. And after 10 days I'll be transplanting in 3-inch pot, and after keeping it in 15 days I'll be transplanting in a bigger pot, maybe 6-inch or 8-inch pot, or if you want, you can grow in garden also. So this is the very big variety, beautiful variety. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.